Hey everyone, what if I told you there was an important trial in Salem, but it didn't involve witches? How's it going, everybody? Welcome to Virtual History 360. I'm Mr. Wade and I love history, and I bet you do too. That's why you're watching this video. So remember to click the subscribe button and turn on the bell to receive notifications about future videos that you're probably going to like too. And be sure to stick around until the end of the video to find out why tomatoes were originally thought to be poisonous. So let's get started. First things first, we are not talking about Salem, Massachusetts. We're actually talking about New Jersey in the year 1820. Secondly, I am serious. We are talking about tomatoes today. I know it sounds crazy, but hear me out. Before getting started, let's hop in a jet and head to New Jersey. Here we are in front of the courthouse in Salem, New Jersey. But let's not get too far ahead of ourselves. You see, things were a lot different 200 years ago. Europeans didn't find out about tomatoes until Cortez brought them back from Central America in 1519. Originally, they were planted as ornamental flowers only, and as few people tried to eat them, they were getting sick. Because of this, tomatoes were not viewed as being edible. Even physicians advised against the fruit for fear of appendicitis and stomach cancer. So for years, they were merely decorative. Now, let's fast forward to 1808. A veteran of the Whiskey Rebellion, Colonel Robert Gibbon Johnson, brought tomatoes home from abroad and tried to get people to grow their own by offering a prize to whoever could grow the largest tomato. The problem is that over time, people weren't really buying into that idea. So Colonel Johnson had to step it up. He made an announcement about what he would do. Robert Gibbon Johnson was going to eat a tomato. You see, he showed up at the Salem County Courthouse, where we are now, with a bushel of tomatoes. The crowd that had gathered there surely was expecting to witness a gruesome scene. And he took a bite. But nothing happened. Witnesses must have thought it would take some time, so Johnson finished the first tomato and then moved on and started the second. By the time he finished the bushel, people realized that the tomato must be safe to eat, and the rest is, well, you know, history. Today our biggest argument is whether the tomato is a fruit or a vegetable, which makes no sense because since the tomato has seeds, it is clearly a fruit. Let me know what you think in the comments below, what you think, whether it's a fruit or a vegetable. Now for why tomatoes were thought to be poisonous. The wealthy Europeans would eat their tomatoes on fine pewter serving sets, and this pewter had a high lead content. Tomatoes are acidic, and this acid would cause the lead to be digested. This, in turn, caused people to get sick, but not with tomato issues, lead poisoning. A simple misdiagnosis was the cause of the whole misunderstanding and the deprival of this delicious treat for centuries. So what do you think? Does that cover it? Leave a comment below if you have any questions I can help you with. While you're there, go ahead and hit the like button for me so YouTube knows to promote this video. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Be sure to check out my other videos like the ones you see on the side over here. I have other history videos, civics, US, world, and some of them are even shot in 360, so check them out. For Virtual History 360, I'm Mr. Wade. See you next time.